You know, guys, I've actually regeled both of these boats, this hull and the American Tug. This one, these guys are getting it ready for America's Great Loop. This one, these guys have already done the loop and they lived on it for about 4 years, and now they're just ready to sell it. So I love seeing responsible owners doing work to their boat, getting it ready before they sell it. This is a 2006 American Tug with about 4,000 hours, so it should sell pretty quickly, whether a broker sells it or maybe we even sell it on the YouTube channel. I don't know, we haven't really talked about that yet, because right now we're just getting it ready for sale. Good morning, Captain Paul. I want to talk about what, like the sellers can do to get their boat ready to go to market. Red hulled American Tug. I happened to meet these guys probably 5 years ago. I want to show you a before picture of we started on the regel, and this is how it turned out. And is it perfect? No. But can it go to market looking like this? Or do you want to take it to market looking like this? And that's the question. Or do we spend $50,000 on a paint job? So that's the big question here. My opinion, for the DIY guy or somebody that wants to try, regel, I think it's got a shot. This one was a little bit too far gone, in my opinion, but I think it turned out amazing, and I think the results, and I do think it'll help them sell the boat in the end. Look at that back, just beautiful. Oh my God, wow. So today we're gonna pull the tape. Got a few little touch-up spots to do. I think for the most part, we're gonna call this one done. Wow, it really does look spectacular. 2006 American Tug 34. I pulled the buck on it. It was crazy. It was pretty close to getting up there, close to that 300,000. And what we did is we regeled both sides just to give the paint a little more life out of it, and it kind of locks and seals the whole hull in. And now in about a month we'll wax it. But Dan's getting it ready. He's got a little windlass project. We got the hull done. You guys saw the before pictures. And like I said, this is not a paint job. It is a hand sponged on, rejuvenate his old paint. I think it turned out amazing. I think he should be very happy, and even the new owners should be very, very happy, because they probably could get, if they take care of it, another 10 years out of it. So I think the hull, it's not the paint job needed something, and I think it was beyond waxing even. So it really did turn out. Feel it and touch it. I mean, it feels. That's probably pretty close to what it would feel like from brand new from the factory, right? From the gel coat.
It was so we got. It was nothing like factory feel.
Yeah. Seeing responsible owners owning what they own and doing what they can to get the boat ready to sell, not just listing some piece of junk. All right, guys, I hope you're enjoying the holidays. I hope you enjoyed Thanksgiving. It's Black Friday. Wouldn't this American Tug make a beautiful present for somebody for Christmas? Think about that. Anyway, peace out. Had so much fun doing it. Thanks, Dan. Thanks, Tanya. Appreciate you guys. Peace out. Remember, live life with no regret. I do. And thank you so much for watching.